Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that 3 of my video courses are available now. 10 measurement cutting system, how to make a bomber jacket, and how to make a classic women's shirt. Buy the courses if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'm going to show you one more lesson out of the series of videos of working with the basic patterns. I've already showed you how to make dresses with plain waist seams and shaped waist seams. Today I'm going to talk to you about this dress. This is a sheath dress with princess seams, chest darts, one-piece side details on the front and the back, and the waist seam in the center of the front and the back. There is a great variety of other designs with the waist seams, other than the ones that I've already showed you. Today I'm going to talk to you about this dress. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about the second dress. There are also princess seams here, chest darts, waist seams on the side details with the pleats, which open to form a tulip. I've decided to make this series of videos for you to feel free to create any design you want. Dresses with waist seams, princess seams, yokes, pleats, anything you want. I want you to be able to adjust your basic pattern to any design you like. I don't want you to depend on the ready-made patterns from the magazines or the internet. Using such patterns, you will never be able to make the garments fit you perfectly. You can make your own patterns. This is my basic pattern. It's made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. First, I need to draw the princess seams. I remind you that we are talking about the first dress today. Notice that the lines are slightly biased. I don't want to pay much attention to the princess seams. You know how to make them. Decide on the distance between the princess seams and draw them the way you want to. I've already showed you a lot of different types of princess seams, of different shapes, sizes. Use your imagination. This is the line which I mean when I'm talking about the distance between the princess seams. Very nice. I try to show you something new in every video. Have a look at the waist seam. Have a look at me now. You can make a seam on the natural waistline. You can also shift it up or down. I prefer making it a bit higher. I don't like making waist seam on the natural waistline. I think that the seam looks much better when it's placed a bit higher. When you make the waist seam only in the central part, it won't make your hips fuller and won't spoil the view. This is a very useful design. I recommend you making such dresses. I'm going to draw the line 1 cm above the natural waistline. I'm not going to make these tucks. I've moved them to the princess seams. I can cut the pattern now. Do not forget to sign all the details, otherwise you may mix all of them up. The back, the front, the center front. This is also the center front, the center back. I'm going to draw a waist seam here as well. I'm drawing it about 1 cm above the natural waistline. You can draw the line wherever you want. You can also make the pattern as long as you want. This is the center back detail. Do not forget to sign all the details. It doesn't take long to do it. I usually make sheath dresses 105 cm long. You can make them as long as you want. I'm doing it for the tracing paper not to roll up. My basic pattern usually looks so big, and when it's cut into pieces, it's pretty tiny. And I think, oh god, how tiny I am. Have a look at the chest dart. Here it is in the sketch. I need to close the original opening. I haven't done anything off the camera. I want you to understand that it takes just about 15 minutes to trace the basic pattern to a tracing paper and then adjust it to a design you want to make. Have a look here. These are the center front detail, the upper and the lower, the front side detail, the back side detail, the upper center back detail, the lower center back detail. Have a look here. The chest dart looks just like in the sketch. There's one more thing you can do. You can also move the chest darts here. What do you need to do? You need to make a cut here and close this opening. That's it. I just wanted to use your imagination. This is how the chest dart looks like now. It's drawn with a red marker pen. Let's have a look at the details once again. It took me less than 10 minutes to make the pattern. I wanted to be able to sew and wear anything you want. This is why I show you this series of lessons on working with the basic patterns. That's all for today. Next time, I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for the second dress. My name is Irina Paukshte. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.